Myths serve not only as narratives that entertain, but also as profound reflections of the societies from which they emerged. By examining these tales, we can glean insights into the origins of civilizations, social beliefs and values, as well as historical events and figures. Mythological accounts often shed light on how ancient civilizations understood their origins and development. Many cultures have creation myths that explain their beginnings and the establishment of their societies. For instance, the Egyptian creation myth describes how the god Atum created the world from chaos, establishing the foundation for ancient Egyptian society and its view on order. Ma'at versus chaos, Isfet. These creation stories not only provide insight into the civilization's origins, but also reflect its values regarding harmony, order, and the divine. Greek mythology, particularly accounts like the Trojan War, offers rich insights into the political and social dynamics of ancient Greece. This narrative not only tells the tale of a legendary war, but also highlights the importance of honor, loyalty, and the consequences of hubris in a society that prized these values. The myth creates a backdrop for understanding how the Greeks viewed leadership, relationships, and conflict. Myths help to establish cultural identity by connecting present societies with their past. They create a sense of belonging and continuity as communities view themselves as part of a larger narrative that transcends individual lives. This cultural framework ultimately influences how ancient civilizations understood their role in the world and their relationship with the divine. Mythological narratives reveal much about the social values, beliefs, and norms that shaped ancient cultures. Myths often encode moral lessons, taboos, and societal expectations. For example, the myth of Prometheus, who stole fire from the gods to give to humanity, highlights themes of rebellion, the pursuit of knowledge, and the dangers of overstepping boundaries. This myth reflects societal values around obedience, the divine order, and the consequences of defiance. Myths frequently illustrate the religious landscapes of ancient societies. The rituals and ceremonies depicted in myths provide insights into worship, sacrificial practices, and the community's relationship with its deities. The Mesoamerican myths surrounding the deity Quetzalcoatl reveal how these societies revered gods tied to agricultural practices, emphasizing the interdependence between religion and daily life. Myths also present insights into gender roles and societal hierarchies. The portrayal of figures such as Athena, the goddess of wisdom and warfare, provides context for the roles and influence of women in ancient societies. Examining these characters can reveal the complexities of gender dynamics and the expectations placed on individuals within a culture. While mythological tales may not be precise historical accounts, they often include elements that reflect real events and significant figures. Some myths incorporate historical events, and analyzing these relationships can illuminate the cultural memory of a society. For instance, the Trojan War, while steeped in myth, likely reflects actual conflicts involving city-states in ancient Greece. The legend serves as a narrative vehicle that preserves the memory of warfare, alliances, and the complexities of human interaction. Mythological figures often embody specific cultural ideals and historical traits that resonate with audiences. Heroes like Hercules or King Arthur serve as representations of the values, strengths, and aspirations of their respective societies. Their deeds may be based on historical individuals whose exploits were embellished over time, allowing us to explore the intertwining of myth and history. Scholars can analyze the historical context of myths to reconstruct the conditions under which they were created. For instance, the rise of the Roman Empire and the subsequent mythology surrounding its founding, such as the tale of Romulus and Remus, can provide insight into the ambitions, fears, and social expectations of an expanding civilization.